Getting right into the action here. First thing up is this Volvo of some kind. Thanks, cool. He pulled up on the curb because he don't care. I don't know what that is, but it's cool. We got like 2 or 3 really cool classic cars here. And a whole bunch of Porsches. But first up, get the Oldsmobile. Getting ideas for the Nova. While I'm at all these car meets, his center console looks pretty cool, all custom. Got a lineup of Chargers over here. Got a couple old school Porsches.
It's naturally aspirated. I mean, he's got a SS LNF. He bought my old one. Now this car is here in the garage. And then this.
Ooh, see some interesting vehicles that are non-Porsches here. Got a statement car. Can't go anywhere without making a statement in this thing. His gear shifter is a 3/4 inch range. Dang, that thing is low to the ground. Got some pretty cool cars here today. I like the worn paint look.
Oh, wow.
There goes the Oldsmobile. Yeah, this Charger's got a cool like paint patina on it. A couple of the newer Porsches. Ooh, got Herbie. Can't go wrong with the Slug Bug. This Camaro, the LS swap in it.
Oh, yeah. Of course. That must have been my other son.
Oh, look at this guy salivating.
He's a big fan of the 18.
Sparko seats. Them are nice looking.
It was attack submarine.
Older Porsches. Yeah, that Camaro is clean. Keep going around. This is like a James Bond Porsche. Something James Bond would drive.
That's a beauty, huh?
Yes.
I think those cars are just works of art, you know.
That's what I was saying. I think something James Bond would drive. Something like this.
That's what he should have been driving.
Yeah.
He's too damn English.
Little bitty car. Everybody's got cool little aftermarket center consoles. Got a Fairline and a over there. I'm not too sure what's on the inside. What is this one? Oh, this must be the new Porsche. Look how big them rotors are. It's like as big as the rim.
That's by the old, Colonial Center.
It's a Mercedes. I don't know what the heck that is. That's a big old hood though. V8 bi-turbo. Not sure what that is, but it's got a twin turbo V8 in it. That's cool. Uh-oh, we got something coming through here that's kind of loud. Everybody's looking. Let's wait for him to come by. Got the Plymouth. His exhaust comes out right by the front fender. Ooh, get the Mazda. Got a little bit of everything here. This orange Porsche over here is pretty cool looking. The convertible top. I guess the top goes down in the back right there, the little hunchback. I guess you sit back there, huh?
They did the same thing with the
Ooh, what the heck is this thing? That's a cool paint job. Yeah, that's a cool paint job. I like the old patina look, but it's still like clean. It's not like rusted through, but the paint's all worn off. That's cool. We got another old school car over here. Is that a 56 or a 57? I think it's 56. Why is that dog breathing so hard? Ooh, this thing's nice. It's a 4-door, but I guess the back door doesn't open until you open the front door. I actually don't know. I see the door handle on the inside over there, but I don't know how you open it up from out here. That's pretty cool. Got one more. What's that? I don't know what the heck that is. Then we go inside and see what some of the nice show cars on the inside are like. Oh, it's a Mustang. I've never seen a Mustang with the little arches like that are. I guess to get converted, looks like this whole back piece comes up and there's back seats under there. Oh yeah, there is back seats under there. See, is there a cassette player in there? Yeah, you can see under there, there's the window roller downer for the back window. Huh. Never seen that before. Shelby GT350. Well, all right, I'm about to go inside and I'll take some pictures and have some still shots next of what's inside. Get some pictures. Got me a big old donut. That thing's pretty cool. Oop, on the way out, there's a couple more classics pulled in. Catalina? It's not a real classic muscle car unless you got a wrench in the back floorboard. Got a Dodge Viper. Haven't seen one of these in a while. It's a little bitty car. Got a Cybertruck in the background. And got a couple more Porsches over here. Porsches everywhere. It is a Porsche themed event today. Look at the seats. Looks like a picnic table in there. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna take a peek at this Porsche right over here and probably call it a day on the video. Got the rally lights on top. That's pretty cool. Well, thanks for everybody that stuck around to the end of the video. And not sure what the next one will be, but next Monday there will be a video here. Thanks for watching. For everybody that stayed to the end of the video, got some new Nova Boys Card Club merchandise for sale. Got these quarter zip jackets with a little fleece material on the inside. On the back it has the big logo. It's woven into the fabric, so it's not like a sticker. It's pretty nice. Had a whole bunch of actual stickers made. Hand out to people. Pretty cool. Got t-shirts, tri-blend, not like the cheap cotton one. All of these clothes are nice material. like equivalent to Under Armour or Nike, not like a cheap cotton. You got hoodies. Neither Sam or I are making any money on this, so don't think we're marking it up and selling it or nothing. But we just wanted a spot for everybody to be able to get some clothes if you want. They also have flags, polos, shorts, water bottles, all kinds of different stuff on there. Kind of put a variety so people can kind of pick what they want. But I'll post a picture now of the website and QR code link to it, so you can pause the screen. And yeah, if you want some cool Nova Boys clothes, there's your spot to go get it.